before you leave us and go to Australia, message to each of us.
Spend more time with me in Australia.
How about with Mama?
Thank you for cooking me the best food.
I never felt it.
Okay, so this is Killian's final day dito sa Manila.
No, it's not.
It is.
No, it's not.
It is.
No, it's
Kasi
not.
guys, gusto niya mag-extend. Pero may klase siya sa Australia, so hindi
Hindi
pwede.
pwede.
So pupunta na lang kami sa Australia, maybe
Yes.
July.
Yes, we will go to Australia.
Early Christmas!
No.
Yeah. Bakit?
Mama's coming to Australia next week.
No. It's
Yes.
expensive to go every week.
Mama, go to Australia.
Oh, yes! You go to Australia, we'll stay here. Yay!
Yay! Hindi pwede, Mama.
Oh, why
alone.
did you slap?
Why did you slap
Yeah, I
Killian?
slap you. I just...
Oh, sakit! Anyway, but...
Feeling niya baby pa siya.
How old are you na ba?
Soon.
100?
1.67.
May point pa.
Talaga, no?
So, before you leave us and go to Australia,
What is your message to all of us?
message to each of us. Kasi diba last time we went to Australia, you gave us letters. You remember?
Para ano natin.
That was the first Australia.
Yes.
Documents natin.
So ngayon, message for me first. Message for Nino.
You need to work out, you go fat.
Grabe ka naman mag-message. No, but on a serious note.
Can you work out so you look nice in your next vlog?
Okay, what else?
Why weren't you here when I was in my state?
Oh,
Ano daw?
panis ka.
Ano?
Ano daw?
Wala ka kasi.
Why mo?
Sabi niya.
Why?
You're always at work.
Yes, because Nino, I was there. We were
Diba?
to...
Yeah, like less than 5 days.
Yes, but I'm here now.
Aside from that, diba, nasa Pangasinan din siya with
Yes.
us one night.
We went to
Then we went
Pangasinan.
to Shangri-La. Nag-stay tayo sa Shangri-La. Ninong is also there. Hindi lang
Ito
tuloy-tuloy
last night.
yan.
Yes, because I also have work.
Yeah, he needs to work.
Okay.
So what's your message for Nino?
Spend more time with me in Australia.
Okay.
Good boy.
How about for Daddy? What's your message for Daddy?
Your message for me.
You're the same as your brother.
I'm fat? No.
You fat, no?
What's your
Like
message?
me, oh.
Message yung sinasabi mo, our body eh. Not our body message.
Ew.
Oh, what will you say to Daddy? Daddy has me.
What do I say?
Yes. You to look at Daddy.
From your heart.
From your heart. Nahihiya si Killian kasi.
Nalulungkot kasi yan. Kaya hindi siya
Should I turn off the camera?
Dinadaan niya sa joke.
What's your message?
Aww.
I'm saying
You're saying it in your mind? Okay, that's okay. How about with Mama?
thank you for cooking me the best food.
Aww. You like the bangus every day? Mama cook you bangus every day, di ba?
Yeah, and Daddy Alex doesn't get any food.
Thank you daw for the bangus. Every day raw kayo nagluluto na
Pinakya ko na nga yung bangus sa Robinson eh. Gusto niya everyday bangus. Pero syempre hindi naman natin gagawin.
You want when we go to
Kumakain
Australia
kami lagi
soon?
sa labas.
Yeah,
Mama will cook you bangus pa rin. You rate Mama's bangus 1 to 10.
10 million.
Wow.
Kasi lumaki si Kilian na mahilig sa bangus.
You
Kasi
forgot the
hindi
negative. Negative 10 million?
ka- Tapos sarili kong marinated yun.
Negative,
Sarili kong
positive.
recipe. Kaya gustong gusto niya.
Recipe.
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 Killian is shy to say, but Killian, I know you will miss us. We have good news naman eh. You know what the good news is?
You work out?
No.
Ginagawa lang niya katotohanan. Sige na. Message na.
Okay na, nagsabi na siya ng message.
Tapos na.
Pero anyway, my message for Killian is, always be a good boy, okay?
Like you?
Yes, like me.
Okay.
Okay. And study harder
What?
in Australia so that you have a good future.
I reached my limit of studying.
No, you're still young. There's no limit. Okay? That's Ninong's advice lang. Okay? How about you, Daddy Aldrich? What's your message for Killian?
Basta Kilian, mag-aaral ka mabuti. Make sure you graduate on time.
What time? What does that mean?
You should not be delayed.
Because if you fail, you might repeat the same year.
What is that?
Basta you should graduate on time.
You should graduate on time. So you can do the things that you want. Basta be good always, ha, Kilian. You're already a big bro, you know?
What is that?
Big brother.
Like you?
Yes.
Basta be good, Kilian, ha? And
Always be
you're smart.
good. How about Mama? What's your message, Mama?
I always told naman Killian that we love Killian. You're my first apo, my grandchild, first grandchild kita. So, I never forget you.
And so that's it. We will miss you, Killian. So have a safe flight on Saturday. We will miss you and we're gonna see you soon. Alright, so group hug na for Killian.
Okay.
See you soon.
Pero nagkikita kami sa Australia, guys. Twice a year, minsan once a year pag hindi ko kaya malayong travel. So this year, once kami pupunta doon. Pero yung definite date, month, hindi pa sigurado. Pero definitely pupunta kami.
You come at May.
Coming na yung May eh. June may pasok ka
We're
na.
gonna be at the airport.
July pa vacation
We're
mo.
gonna
Maybe
be at the
July.
airport.
We'll join you.
Alright, you say bye-bye na. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Killian, see you.
See you.
On the next month. Or maybe 2 months.
See you
We will
soon
go
na
to
lang
Australia.
para ano.
This month.
Hindi pwede.